If you've ever wanted a quick way to print your Todoist tasks, including everything inside a specific project, label, or custom filter, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a really useful feature when you want a physical copy of your to-do list, share tasks with a team member, or keep a paper backup of your active work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Todoist and go to the project, label, or custom filter view that you want to print. This is important because Todoist prints the tasks that are currently visible in that view, so make sure you're in the exact list you want on paper. If you're using a project, open that project. If you're using a label, select that label. And if you want to print a filtered set of tasks, open the custom filter you created. Once you're in the correct view, look to the top left corner of the interface and click your profile avatar. This opens the main drop-down menu with several account and workspace options. From that menu, click Print. Todoist will now prepare the current task list for printing. If you want to include any discussion history, make sure to tick the Include Comments checkbox. This is especially helpful if your tasks have team notes, updates, or historical comments that you want to keep with the printed version. If you only want the task list itself, you can leave that unchecked. After choosing your print options, click Print again. This will launch your computer's native browser print wizard, where you can choose your printer, save as PDF, adjust layout, set margins, and review the final page before printing. At this stage, you can also decide whether you want color, black and white, portrait, or landscape, depending on how your tasks are formatted. Once everything looks right, go ahead and confirm the print job, and Todoist will generate your printable document. And that's it. You've now printed your Todoist tasks from a project, label, or custom filter view. It's a simple process, but it can save a lot of time when you need an offline copy of your work. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.